Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at Toyota Rav4 LIMITED. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in magnetic gray. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, roof rails, turn signals on the side mirrors, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside this Rav4 and see what else it has to offer. Up here it's got our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Rav has a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Take a look in the door. On the bottom you have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And next to the handle are your seating presets. Got this nice little shelf up here. This Rav is equipped with light gray Softex, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. But now why don't we hop inside, start this Rav up. There's a push to start, just put your foot on the brake, press that engine start button. So what we're going to do first is take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will help you navigate through your multi-information display located right there in the center. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with your dynamic cruise control and your lane departure assist, as well as your cruise control speed settings right next to it. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on home. It on the left side will show audio that might be playing and any devices that might be connected. On the right you have your navigation map, and you can just press that and that'll enlarge. If we go audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There's that backup camera. You get these nice 2 screens. Underneath is your climate control system. It is a dual zone climate control, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath, driver and passenger heated cooled seats. In here you have your USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, and your key wireless charger. Put your phone right there and that'll charge right up without any cable. Just make sure that on button is green. Next to the shifter you have your different drive modes. Here are your 2 cup holders. Center console, lots of room in here. You also got a nice little shelf up top. Speaking of shelves, on the passenger side you got another one. Perhaps you put some phones and cables in there. And your glove box, nice and simple. But now let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side, and above it the rear passengers do have their own heated seats. Continuing with the all-weather mats and light gray Softex seating. Behind the front passenger you do have a nice little pocket for some extra storage. And in here, if we pull this down, you got 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And these seats do fold down. Just press that up and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this 3rd button on your key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own. Lots of cargo space in the Rav. Of course, we have the 2nd row seating that goes down in case you need that extra bit of room. On the right you have this little net for some extra storage compartments. And lastly, underneath here, if we pull that up, that'll give you access to your cargo and the tools to change your spare tire in case that ever goes. So just close that right up. So to close up, all you got to do is press this button right up top and that power liftgate will close right on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Rav4 LIMITED. Once again, some of your great interior features include your light gray heated Softex seating, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and navigation. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.